Hello everyone, and thank you again for joining us for another BFT technical video. Today we will actually be going over a call that we get that's pretty popular, and that is our BFT remote programmable to HomeLink? And unfortunately, neither our 2-button or 4-button middle remotes are compatible with HomeLink. They use a rolling code technology, and unfortunately, you can try going through the sequence with your manufacturer's instructions and it just will not work. So we have a solution for you, and that is actually called the KHLKIT. It's a HomeLink compatible receiver and remote, simple little hookup. It comes with an antenna, it comes with your receiver, and of course it comes with a remote that you would pair. And of course this is what you will use later on. So it's actually very simple. As far as the wiring goes, you will use your black and red, which is your power. If you're hooking up to one of our boards, it'll go to 50 and 51. So black to 50, red to 51. And then we will be using channel 1, relay 1. So the cables for that are actually your blue and your yellow. Your common and your normally open from channel 1, blue and yellow, will be going to 60 and 61. Now, there is one more step. You will actually have to program this new remote to the unit. It does have some dip switches inside, so if you want to make it more uniquely yours, you can change that up before programming, but again, before programming. So it's actually a pretty quick little step. You'll notice you have a little hole here for P1 for your relay 1 and P2 for your relay 2. We're only worried about relay 1 today for demo purposes. So it's actually a quick process, so be ready to push this button. You will push and hold P1 till the red light turns on. So red light's on. Quick tap of the button you want to use. Right, I might have not done it. There we go. See, it's pretty quick, so just be ready. Once you get it hooked up, now you are set up to use this remote to use your manufacturer's instructions as far as how to program a remote to your HomeLink system. All right, thank you guys.